channel. So today is a special video. Westside has an amazing offers going on right now. It's like I never expected Westside have this kind of offers. I'm like, oh god. So I spent one whole day in Bangalore going to two Westside stores and buying few things. Then I'm like, okay, I was so tired. Then I ordered few online. And for the first time, even Westside home products had offers. I couldn't believe them. Like, I couldn't. So, I'm going to show you what I bought at Westside during the sale. Come, let's go. Okay, it's like 2 bags and 2 online orders. So, this is offline, this is online. So, okay, first we are going to open online because even I haven't seen. Got the stock for 300. It's actually 599. That's 600 minus 1. Well, I got it for 50% off. Looking good. This one. Let's try it out. Okay, I loved it. I wanted something more casual because I had too many crop tops and then I'm like, okay fine, I don't have too many things to wear outside like the casual wear, so I got these. It's superb, like the material is too good. I think next one is this white color top which I got it for $699. It's a casual one. It's actually for 1,300. 1,300, I got it for 700. It's a great deal. Okay, this is super good. Like, yeah. I've become a crazy white person and I think this one is super comforting. This is something I love to wear like an everyday. The material is too good, like extremely good. Okay, good choice. I thought I was making the wrong choices when I was ordering, but then I ordered pretty good ones. So it's little loose but it is comforting, like crazy comfort. So yeah. So I'm gonna get the next one. It's this. It's a dress basically, which is for 999 and I got it for 499. It's like this. So let me go put on. This is how it looks and I just love it. Yeah. I'm gonna put the camera back and I'm gonna show you how it looks, like completely. So the material is nice, the fit is nice and it looks amazing on me. Yeah. I'm going to show you what it is, how it is. And then seamless underwears. So they were coming for 200 rupees. The original price of theirs is somewhere around 400, but I was getting it for 200 rupees. And it's a seamless one with a good quality, so I bought like many of them. As I said before, I was buying a lot of casual tops because I have a lot of jeans, so I don't have much tops. I was repeating few of them, so I bought this. I basically didn't have this color. I never had olive green. Yeah, so I bought this. This is comfortable. I think I have something like this in white, which I bought it from H&M, but that was way too deep, like till here, somewhere deep. But this is nice. This is nice for official purpose, casual wear. Yeah. This one I paid 700, which was for 1,400. This one you can tell it's more like a coat, base coat, but I would prefer like a t-shirt. Yeah, basically it's like a t-shirt. This one I got it for 300 rupees. It's comfortable and Yeah, it has no pockets, but that's a good thing. This is used more like a t-shirt. I love the material, everything. It's super good. I don't think so I'm returning any of them. And it suits me. Like, I didn't have the shade of a brownish beige. Yeah. Okay, back to my old outfit. Because now what I'm gonna show is West Side Home, which I bought from a studio. Which was it was like superb, like really superb. So one thing which I love, I'm gonna show you at the end. There is bills which should be hidden from my mom basically. Yeah, I got this accessory which was not on sale, okay, but I paid around 300 rupees. I felt okay, fine, this is cute and why not? Just bought it. Basically, I got 10 rupees extra discount on each and every product which I bought. I don't know why. Basically, for the underwears, the seamless panties which I got it was for 199 and I got it for 189. I don't know the reason, but yeah. The second store bill was, yeah, no discount on the second store basically. And yeah, I'm gonna show this. So I bought this candle holder. It was for 299 and I felt it's cute for my studio, so I bought this. This MRP is 600 rupees, but I got it for 300 rupees. And this candle is for 199, which is for 399 basically, but on the sale it was for 199, and it goes clear like this. It looks good like this, so I bought this. Yeah, it is nice basically. I bought a tray. I don't know. I just bought this to keep some things. Everything is for studio. And this one I paid 499, and I felt it's okay, but this is cute. It has a mirror. Yeah, it has a mirror. It's a cute mirror. And 499, but it retails for 799. I want to keep some stuff into this, so yeah, this is one. Finally, my love. I fought with my mom for these, but then I tricked her and got these. I think 3 months ago I paid the full MRP price and got the other ones, and today I got these for an immense discount. Yeah, at least it's a good amount of discount for me, and they had only 5 pieces, so I bought 4. If they had 6 or 7 and more, I would have bought it for like 6 pieces, but I bought 6 pieces of these Martini glasses. I am a biggest crockery collector. Yeah, Martini glass it is. And it was basically each glass is for 400, but then I got each glass for 200 rupees. I think it's a great deal, like great deal. Yeah. Martini glass it is. I got like 4 of them, but I can't remove everything because I need to go down and remove them, because I don't think I'll carry it down so safely, but yeah. So guys, that's it for West Side Home. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, Chaitanya Vemanna. Love you guys, bye bye, see you next time.